Once upon a time, in a small town nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Alex. From a very young age, Alex was fascinated by space and the stars. He spent countless nights lying in his backyard, gazing up at the twinkling sky, dreaming of one day becoming an astronaut and exploring the vast universe. As Alex grew older, his passion for space only intensified. He read every book about space he could find, and his room was adorned with posters of rockets, planets, and galaxies. His parents, seeing his curiosity and determination, encouraged his dreams and supported him in every way they could. One day, a special visitor came to Alex's school. It was an astronaut named Captain Stella, who had been to space multiple times. She showed the students breathtaking images of Earth from space and shared her incredible experiences of floating in zero gravity. Alex was spellbound. After the presentation, he mustered the courage to approach Captain Stella and asked, "How can I become an astronaut like you?" Captain Stella smiled warmly and said, "You have the right spirit, young one. To become an astronaut, you must study hard, excel in science and math, and never stop being curious. The path to the stars is not easy, but with determination, you can reach for the sky." From that day on, Alex dedicated himself to his studies. He worked tirelessly in school, always seeking to learn more about the universe. His love for space and his dream of becoming an astronaut became his guiding light. As the years passed, Alex's efforts paid off. He earned top grades in school and became a respected young scientist. One day, he received a letter that would change his life forever. It was an invitation from the Space Exploration Agency to join their astronaut training program. Thrilled beyond measure, Alex embarked on the challenging training. He learned how to operate a spacecraft, practiced spacewalks in a giant swimming pool, and underwent rigorous physical and mental exercises. Every day, he felt closer to his dream of venturing among the stars. Finally, the day arrived when Alex, now a fully trained astronaut, was assigned to a mission to explore a distant planet. The spacecraft launched with a thunderous roar, and soon, they were hurtling through space. Alex couldn't believe that his childhood dreams were now a reality. On the journey, Alex's curiosity soared. He observed stars and planets, conducted experiments, and marveled at the beauty of the cosmos. But there was one particular planet that caught his attention, a mysterious planet with a colorful and swirling atmosphere. Unable to contain his curiosity, Alex requested permission to investigate the planet. The mission commander hesitated but ultimately agreed, knowing that Alex's inquisitive nature might lead to valuable discoveries. As they descended through the planet's atmosphere, they discovered a breathtaking world filled with floating islands, each with its own unique ecosystem. Alex couldn't believe his eyes. It was like a scene from his wildest dreams. As they explored, Alex made a remarkable discovery. He found a creature unlike anything they had seen before, a tiny, glowing creature that seemed to communicate through flashes of light. Fascinated, Alex took samples and data, eager to learn more about this newfound life. Their mission was a resounding success, and they returned to Earth as heroes. Alex's journey to become an astronaut and explore the unknown had only just begun. And so, dear children, Alex's curiosity and determination led him on a wondrous adventure through the cosmos. Never forget the power of curiosity, for it can take you to places beyond your wildest dreams. Just like Alex, always reach for the stars, and you may find yourself in a world of awe-inspiring wonder. The end.